Today a look at Lpkr. So in terms of sales growth, up 8% in the first quarter after 41% in the second quarter, so it's started to grow a bit faster than the market, which is interesting. They've redone the sales breakdown, but the real estate development is growing, up 12%, which is quite interesting. In terms of forecasts, we're looking at a pretty negative second quarter, but then a big jump up into next year, which is growth of 2.3% for 12 months. Then in cash flow, so the last 12 months is negative, but the first quarter is positive, helped by so the sales is coming in advances from customers, so that's 182 plus in the first quarter. So we're assuming the investment spending is pretty low, and with the sales growth we actually get over 1.2 trillion of cash flow in the next 12 months, which will be quite exciting. In the balance sheet, a lot of debt, but since the rights issue, the debt came in half from 13 trillion to 7 trillion. It's jumped back up again in the first quarter to 9.2, but that's because of the FX, which will reverse. So we're not including a reversal in the FX, and we get back to 7.98 trillion with our cash flow forecast. So it's going to be more like 6 probably with the FX, so that's going to look quite good. And then in the P&L, net profit is minus, and pretty much 2 trillion minus in the first quarter, but that's because of the FX, which is more than 2 trillion. So actually it's a net plus, and you can see the cash cost ratio, once we take that out, has come back to 72%. We're going to use the average of the long-term average, which is 89%, which would look like this. So it could, yeah, the margin is starting to come back. Could be better than even than that, and that gives us back to so from a big loss to back to profit in the next 12 months, 455 billion. So this is the cash flow with pretty low investment spending, and using our 1.6 with a 55% discount because of the debt and the big negative cash flow from the past, that gives us a 477 rupiah price target. So that's higher than we had before, so getting quite a bit more bullish on Lpkr.